My name is Colleen Elmer, and I'm the Executive Director of Water Street Health Services. And as you can see from the video, we have been extremely blessed to have many wonderful professional volunteers, doctors like Steve Oberham, and counselors like Will, who give plenty of time to our facilities on a volunteer basis. In addition, we have dentists, nurses, hygienists, office staff, all individuals willing to serve, and we're very blessed and grateful for them. Another thing that you probably noticed from the video is that we, by mission, are a little bit different than other clinics. It's one of the things that people find very appealing about our clinic. It's also at times something that's really hard to put into words. What are we that's different? And I think it can be found in our mission, which is to advance the kingdom of God by providing Christian health services for individuals without access to insurance. So if you are like me, who I've just joined the team within the past 4 months, you may say, what exactly is a Christian health service? I mean, how do we define that? What does that look like? And I can't say that we have all the answers to what that is. The only thing I can tell you is, in my short tenure with Water Street, there was a story recently that I witnessed that I think exemplifies what we do that's a little bit different. And that story is about a patient who came to us just several weeks ago. Her name, not her real name, is Anna, a 58-year-old woman who came actually to the dental clinic for a hygiene appointment. At registration, it was discovered that she met our criteria, which means that she, was living in poverty, did not have income, and did not have insurance. And so she was approved for her hygiene appointment. She stated that her goal for receiving services was to get her teeth fixed, which she hoped would help her become more employable. She was very embarrassed about her smile and her teeth and thought that was really going to be a detriment to her becoming employable. Interesting that I think God had a different goal for her appointment that day. At the start of her appointment, our dental administrator, Tina, noticed the smell of alcohol on Anna's breath. And not trying to pry, trying to be real careful about how she approached the subject, Tina mentioned the observation about the alcohol. And at that time, Anna broke down crying and stated that she had been on a drinking binge for about 9 weeks, and that it had cost her her job and actually was really providing a high cost to her life. During that visit, she also disclosed she had a history of alcoholism, but had been clean for a number of years, so this was a real hard slip for her. Interesting, she's with a dental administrator, not a counselor, not somebody trained in what do we do with someone who comes with alcohol problems. But Tina had a very incredible sensitivity, as do all of our staff and the volunteers that work in our division. And she asked Anna if she could pray with her. And Anna said yes. And she asked Anna, do you know the Lord? And Anna said, well, I've heard that concept. I really don't know what it means. And so Tina walked her through what it would mean to be a Christian. And Anna, in that chair that day, accepted the Lord. Within an hour, we had her connected with detox and substance abuse services. Anna never got her teeth cleaned that day. I mean, she has been back since, but she did not get her teeth cleaned that day. I think it was interesting that God knew exactly what he was prescribing for her. And the staff sensitivity is actually what brought her exactly what she needed, which was not a dental cleaning. Tina's willingness to see Anna as a whole person, consisting of body, soul, and spirit, defines our approach to Christian health services. It also exemplifies Water Street Ministries' desire to see God change one life at a time. And so it plays out in different ministries. I think I was envious of Jack being able to show the little kids and then that powerful performance by the teens. But every day, it has really been a pleasure to see how God changes lives, one life at a time, through all the different divisions, and that includes Water Street Health Services. It has been only through incredibly generous support of donors and a fantastic volunteer staff that Water Street Health Services is seeing individuals like Anna experience God fulfill his promises that have been mentioned tonight, which is to bring each of us into a good land, as stated in Deuteronomy 8:7.